I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of straight lines when the line is inclined to both HP and VP. The data given are true length equal to 75 mm, theta equal to 45 degrees, phi equal to 30 degrees. The question given is a line PQ 75 mm long is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to HP and 30 degrees to VP. The point P is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the line. It is given the line is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to HP and 30 degrees to VP. So the given position of the straight line is the line is inclined to both the planes HP and VP. Also it is given the true length of the straight line PQ is 75 mm long and the end point P is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Now let us start to draw the projection of the given straight line. Take A3 sheet, draw margin on all four sides. Write the question number in the bottom right corner. Write all dimensions are in millimeter. First, draw reference line XY. The area above XY is VP. The area below XY is HP. It is given point P is 15 mm above HP. So the front view of the point P, that is P dash, is 15 mm above XY. From the reference line measure 15 mm, mark the point P dash. This point P dash is 15 mm above XY. Also it is given point P is 20 mm in front of VP. So the top view of the point P is 20 mm below XY. From reference line measure 20 mm, mark the point P. This point P is 20 mm below XY. Here both the points P dash and P lie in the same projector. Now from the point P dash, draw a parallel line to XY. This line is locus of P dash. Similarly, from the point P, draw a parallel line to XY. This line is locus of P. It is given true inclination of line to HP, theta equal to 45 degrees. Take a protractor with reference point as P dash, measure 45 degrees, draw an inclined line. It is given true length of line PQ equal to 75 mm. From the point P dash, measure 75 mm, mark the point Q1 dash. Here the length of P dash Q1 dash line is 75 mm and this line P dash Q1 dash is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to XY. From the point Q1 dash, draw a perpendicular line to XY. This line cuts locus of P at a point Q1. Measure the length of the line PQ1. This length is top view length of the line equal to PQ1 equal to 53 mm. So using the true inclination of the line to HP, theta equal to 45 degrees and true length of line PQ equal to 75 mm, we have found the top view length equal to 53 mm. Next it is given true inclination of line to VP, phi equal to 30 degrees. Take a protractor with reference point as P, measure angle equal to 30 degrees, draw an inclined line. We know the true length of line PQ equal to 75 mm. From the point P, measure 75 mm, mark a point Q2. Here the line PQ2 measures true length equal to 75 mm and the line PQ2 is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to XY line. From the point Q2, draw a perpendicular line to XY. This line cuts locus of P dash at a point Q2 dash. Measure the length of the line P dash Q2 dash. This length is front view length P dash Q2 dash is equal to 65 mm. So using the true inclination of line to VP, phi equal to 30 degrees and true length of line PQ equal to 75 mm, we have now found the front view length P dash Q2 dash equal to 65 mm. Now from the point Q1 dash, draw a parallel line to XY. This line is locus of Q dash. Similarly, from the point Q2, draw a parallel line to XY. This line is locus of Q. Now, we know the front view length equal to 65 mm. We know the top view length equal to 53 mm. Also, we have drawn the locus of Q dash line and locus of Q line. Let us now locate the point Q dash and Q using the rotating line method. Take a compass, measure radius, length equal to P dash Q2 dash equal to 65 mm. With center point as P dash, draw an arc. This arc cuts locus of Q dash at a point Q dash. Join P dash and Q dash by a straight line. This line is the front view of the line. Now, take a compass, measure the length PQ1 equal to 53 mm. With center as P, draw an arc. This arc cuts locus of Q at a point Q. Join P and Q by a straight line. This line is top view of the line. Now, check whether both the points Q dash and Q lie in the same projector. If it is correct, then darken the answer. Darken P dash Q dash line, the front view. Darken PQ line, the top view. So here we have drawn both the front view and top view of the line PQ. So this is the projection of the given line PQ. Show dimensions. The true length of the line is 75 mm. So this is the answer for the given question. If you draw it correctly and show all dimensions given, you score full marks. Now, to have a generalized idea on projection of straight lines inclined to both HP and VP, we must know what data were given in the question and data we have found to complete the projection of straight lines. The following part will make you possible to draw any question from projection of straight lines inclined to both the planes. So, while drawing the projection of straight lines, we have taken 12 data. In this 12 data, the data given were point P is 15 mm above HP, point P is 20 mm in front of VP. They have given the position of the point P. Also, they have given true length of the line equal to 75 mm, true inclination of the line to HP theta equal to 45 degrees, true inclination of line to VP phi equal to 30 degrees. So, they have given 5 data. Using this 5 data, we have drawn the projection of straight lines. By completing the problem, we have found the remaining 7 data. Let us now understand what are the 7 data we have found to draw the projection of the straight line. The top view length PQ1 equal to PQ. If you measure the top view length PQ1, it is equal to 53 mm. The length PQ equal to 53 mm. So, the top view length is equal to 53 mm. Front view length P dash Q2 dash equal to P dash Q dash. If you measure this length, P dash Q2 dash is equal to 65 mm and also P dash Q dash length is also equal to 65 mm. So, the front view length is equal to 65 mm. The top view of line inclined to VP, if you measure the inclination of the top view line, it is equal to 45 degrees. So, top view of line inclined to VP by 45 degrees, that is beta equal to 45 degrees. Front view line inclined to HP. So, if you measure the front view inclination to HP, inclination is around 55 degrees. So, front view of line is inclined to HP by an angle equal to alpha equal to 55 degrees. Point Q is above HP. The distance between locus of Q dash and XY is measured. It is equal to 68.5 mm. So, the point Q is 68.5 mm above HP. Point Q is in front of VP. Measure distance between XY and locus of Q. If you measure this distance, it is equal to 57.5 mm. So, the point Q is 57.5 mm in front of VP. The last one, distance between projectors, distance between P dash P line and Q dash Q line, it is equal to 37.5 mm. So, distance between the two projectors is 37.5 mm. So, we have drawn the projection of straight line by using the 5 datas and we have found the remaining 7 datas. In questions, they may give you any 5 datas. They may give you top view length, they may give you distance between projectors, they may give you front view length. You have to draw the same answer. The figure is same, the shape is same. The only thing is step will change. So, kindly remember this. So, first of all, when the question is given, read the question and find which data is given. Find the 5 datas and draw the same answer in a different step. Okay. So, I think you are clear now. Thank you. Wish you all the best.